Hey mate, got a snake in the house?
I have, yes.
Lead the way, where do I go?
Hello there.
In this room here.
Alright, usually let us go through.
Yes.
Oh, there it is. That's an eastern brown snake. That is the second most deadly snake in the world.
Oh,
so
for God's sake, lads.
So these are fast, extremely venomous snakes. I'll let him try and get away.
Jesus.
And there it is there. And kind of make it look easy, but it's not. Eastern brown snake for you. This is actually so dangerous to snakes. Eastern brown snakes are responsible for more snake bites and snake bite deaths than all the other snakes in Australia put together.
Listen, I've enough done here now, lads. No, seriously, Mark, I've enough. No, I've enough. Roscoe, I've that shingle location.